Alright, what up, y'all? So, Challenger is back. I went ahead and fixed the parts I had to fix on it, but just a quick rundown if you want to know how much vinyl it takes to do one of these. So, the hood was 5 feet by 65 inches, so a little bit more than 5 feet because it's a little bit wider than 5. So, 65 for the same size for the roof. It's 5 feet wide. It's a little bit longer than 5 feet long. So, that's that. Fenders 5 feet wide. You got to stretch it maybe an inch or so, but it's almost 3 feet up and down, so 3 feet down the road for each fender. The door, how much was that? 5 feet wide, 3 feet tall, so 3 feet for each door. Mirrors was done with like scrap material, so I won't count that. Same with the door handles. This whole quarter piece was, how much did I do? I'm looking at the notes while I'm talking to y'all, so my bad. But 132 inches. So what's my math? 11 feet. So 11 feet from that edge on up to right there. The back bumper was, this is actually 2 pieces. So it is an insert on this little piece right here going across like that, and it's also an insert under there for the tag. But the actual bumper piece was, where is it, 126 inches. So that is a little bit more than 10 feet, 3 feet high, a little bit more than 10 feet. Trunk was 5 feet by 3 feet. Spoiler was 5 feet wide. I took probably like a foot, maybe a foot and a half. Did it in 2 pieces. It seamed right here. So can you see that? Yeah. So that's the seam. What else? Front bumper. So front bumper again is done in a couple pieces. Don't mind that blue showing. That's actually on the plastic trim grill piece or whatever. That's overspray on that. So don't mind that. That's not the part that could be wrapped. But this, what is it? Yeah, this little top section right here, that is an inlay piece, same as a couple inlays on the fog, but the bumper itself was 108 inches, so I think that's 9 feet wide, 3 feet tall. These things were a little weird. It kept peeling up right here, so I ended up having to redo this little section right here just so it'll sit down in there. But yeah, those were weird, but yeah, that's what it is. I ordered 81 feet. I ended up redoing these fenders again because had clear coat issues in the little trim right there. Still having a few with the new piece, like you see, it's still trying not to stick in that groove, so I don't know. But yeah, the paint was tripping on that spot. So 81 feet total. I think before I redid the fenders, I want to say I used, if my math is adding up, I think that was around 70 feet, something like that. I'll calculate some stuff once I'm done recording, but about 70 feet. So the full roll was 80. So if you're doing the Challenger, just get the full roll. You should have enough to do everything you need to do, and a little bit extra just in case you need it. But yeah, car's done, so it's getting picked up a little later. And yeah, that's that. I ended up peeling off all the plastic dip down here. That's what I was doing. This whole rocker piece was plastic dip and it was peeling, so I peeled all of that off and wrapped that piece, which I didn't wrap before because I ran out of material because I had to redo the fender. So that's what I ended up doing today. But yeah, so that's that. I will catch y'all in the next one.